Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Big By Faizan. So what am I baking today? Actually I was stuck in between having cookie or brownie yesterday, so I had baked brookie for myself. So what is brookie? Brookie is actually a cross between cookie and brownie, which is actually a cookie and having a texture of brown. So today I will be sharing my recipe of making brookie, which is so amazing, looks like very similar to chocolate cookie, but it is actually a brownie. So let's get started with the recipe. To make brookie, you need flour, which is about 90 grams, 2 eggs, which is about 100 grams, sugar, 140 grams, chocolate, which is also 140 grams, butter, which is about 70 grams, and baking powder, which is 3 grams or 3/4 teaspoon. Let's begin with melting the chocolate along with butter in a microwave. After melting chocolate and butter, keep it aside to let it cool. Why do we need to let it cool first? Because we're gonna put this melted chocolate and butter into the egg. Now take a mixing bowl and break in eggs into that. Both the eggs in one go. Then put sugar into the eggs. Here I am using coarsely ground sugar, but if you have castor sugar, you can go with that. Now you need to whisk it together until sugar dissolves completely. Then you will see your mixture of sugar and eggs has turned like this. Now put in melted chocolate and butter in 3 stages. I am putting it in 3 stages because it is still warm or quite hot, so I don't want my eggs to get coagulated or cooked. Because I am making brookie, not chocolate scrambled eggs. Now here my second part of melted chocolate and butter goes in. As I always say, always put the next ingredient after your first ingredient incorporates very well into the mixture. And here I am following the same thing. Mix it thoroughly before putting the third part of melted chocolate and butter. I just love this part whenever I make brownie because I love to work with chocolate and it smells so amazing. My kitchen has just filled with the aroma of dark chocolate. That's so amazing. Third part of my melted chocolate and butter goes in that. Now mix it again thoroughly. Now here we are very close to see the mixture of our brookie. I'm damn sure you will get amazed to see the mixture of this brookie. You will definitely think how will it turn out like a cookie. Now flour goes in that, which is about 90 grams as I've said. Lightly mix it before putting baking powder. Now I'm putting baking powder, which is about 3 grams or 3/4 teaspoon. Mix it thoroughly after putting baking powder into the mixture. I'm telling you, do not need to thank me for sharing this recipe of mine to make brookie at home. This is so amazing. Now here our batter or dough is ready. Now I'm putting my almond dark chocolate chunk into this mixture to create that chocolate chunk in my cookie or brookie. Now fold it using rubber spatula. You might be thinking it seems to be like cake batter or cookie batter, but trust me, this is not a batter, it's gonna be a dough. Wait for that. After mixing this, I'm gonna show you the most important part to make brookie. As important as making the batter of brookie. Transfer the mixture in a separate bowl, separate clean bowl. So why am I transferring the batter into the separate bowl? Because I'm gonna put this in the fridge covering with cling wrap for almost 3 to 4 hours. It will be sitting in the fridge for almost 3 to 4 hours, so it will get thick and get set. After keeping it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours, take it out and you will see it has become hard and you can say very similar to dough, cookie dough. You can see the firmness of this mixture. You can see how much firm it should be. Now you need butter paper lined baking tray to scoop out the cookie. Since I don't have a scooper, so I am using 2 spoons to spoon it out on the baking tray. But still, I would suggest if you have a scooper, use that. It will ensure equal portions of your cookies. While keeping on the baking tray, make sure you are keeping them quite round or very similar to each cookie. So all of your brookies will get baked evenly and properly. Apparently, no one will fight over bigger brookie. Make sure you are working with them so fast so it will be chilled when they get into the oven. Bake your brookie immediately in the preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 14 to 15 minutes. Here we go. Here my brookie has been baked properly to the perfection. As you can see, it is very similar to cookie, but it is not a cookie. As I said, it's a brownie cookie brookie. Now I will show you by breaking this cookie or brookie. Sorry, I'm forgetting that. It's a brookie, not a cookie. Brownie cookie, brookie. Okay, now let's see by breaking this up. Oh, this aroma. It is still fresh. Oh, wow. It is so amazing. Yeah, now you can see this. I can't say anything, but you should try this at home at least once. If you have watched my video until here, so please like, comment, share and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.